Gosh, I'm right in the middle of a very, very strong spot where resistance and support meets. It's like the battlefield of the Bulls and the Bears is literally located right where I got in at. Now, in this case, I probably should have allowed for this sweep to happen before I got in, but I got in right here earlier, and or either I can't remember where it was, but anyway, I took a loss, so it made me slightly, it's something I'm working on, the difference between revenge trading and now continuing your bias, because sometimes it's gonna hit your stop loss even though you are going in the correct direction. Do I feel like I'm going in the correct direction? Yes. Is it slightly against what I trade? Not really, but if you notice this 1 hour chart here, the whole body of what's taking place now, which is from the top of here to the bottom of here, basically, where I have my take profit at, because I'm assuming that it's going to at least hit that and maybe break through like it did these other ones. It has tested this spot too many times. So, I look at it as a very strong spot. However, this is a strong spot up here too where my stop loss is at. So I might adjust it just a little bit above it, because I noticed that it doesn't mostly hit a little bit above it out of, let's see, 1, 2, 3. That one is shot straight by it. Can't really count that one. So let's just say out of 6, 7 touches, it seemed like this one and this one here is really only the ones that really went above the 2351.04 mark. Everything else stopped right here where my stop loss is at. So worst case, I might just, let me close out of that, up my stop loss just a little bit. About right there, which would put it right above. So out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like I say, most of them went right above there. Now the only thing about that, if you notice, once I move my stop loss, I have to move my take profit. God, I got caught in the rain in the car. It's a risky business, honestly. It's a risky game. I would advise you not to, get involved, paper trade, as long as you can, just to build that muscle. I still paper trade. Actually, lately I've been doing more paper trading than I have live, or either prop firm funding is the next step. Yeah, it's crazy. And I don't like to be in trades long. So this is a long trade. Like maybe some days when I'm right here at low losses or zero, it might be best just to cash out. But I feel very strong about a sale. It has been fighting. However, the last two bodies, as you can see, has went below I say bodies, I'm talking about, let's just say, here, 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 here. It's steadily declining, going down. And if I go long term, week, look how much it's been going up. And one thing about the market is almost like the lottery. It's like we got to allow some people to win. You know, they can't just completely allow everybody to just lose. And what I mean by that is we're trading currency. And because we're trading currency, I mean, they could bankrupt US dollar if it continue to keep going up. I mean, this here alone is a very nice, run up that was completely biased. And I could be wrong. I'm just under the something. Look at that. It hasn't been this low, that high since 2011. And I go to show you, look at up there. Actually, 2011 it still wasn't there. That was close. We go back. This is 2006, and we still wasn't at the point where we at. And gold never been this high, and gold can continue to go higher. It actually can. I'm actually gonna be betting long term with gold, but I'm looking to get it for a discount, either via mining companies or directly front door with mining companies. Where we at? But I'm locked in on this trade to where I'm not gonna go. I'm not gonna take it just because I'm in profits now. I already lost 1,400 this morning. So I am going to make sure that I at least recover the 1,400, and I could probably recover the 1,400 around about right here at 23.35. I'm gonna go for even lower. A lot of times I get what I need to get, make a profit, and keep going. But the more you trade, the more confident you must become. And that's the whole purpose of paper trading. Like, I think it should be a paper trading religion. Well, even if you have a trade, even if you have live accounts, you still paper trade. And really you want to paper trade more than you live trade, because the paper trading is gonna guide you to where you need to be. It's gonna allow you to gain muscles without risk. Yes, restraint, but without risk. And it's nothing like, trading live, your emotions is definitely more attached. However, I still would recommend, paper trading and taking it seriously as if it's live money. Man, believe it or not, sometimes I actually slow down businesses and services that I have that makes me money just for a paper trade, because I look at it like it's real money. Like, you guys don't get it twisted. And I love entertainers. I love the entertainment industry. I have dealings with the entertainment industry. It does make money. It is an asset class in itself. However, this is the real world stage. This is the real fucking world stage. Excuse my Portuguese. But this is the real world stage. This is where countries meet. This is the true borderlines of wealth. If you can tap into this, learn it, study it, you can potentially change your life, be free, set others free. And is it risky? Yes. Should you not trade more than you're willing to lose? Yes, you shouldn't trade more than what you're willing to lose. It's 9:05. I was expecting a good. This is the 3 hour, and I'm seeing a sale showing on the 3 hour. It is losing momentum. The Bulls is definitely using his horns and shoving it back inside of the bear. Let's go to the hour. Let's go down a little bit more. Let's see. See, what I do like is that the last candle still didn't reach above the previous candles, the previous highs. It is quite a battle. If it's battling like this, I almost would say that it's best to just don't play around with the trades where they're battling. It seems, because if they're battling and it's taking this long for someone to take possession of the ball, then a true possession is like turnover after turnover. That means that it's more momentum. I mean, it's more mysterious or unknown momentum or equal momentum in the market. And one thing you also learn about trading is trading really helps you. So we're at 9:07. We have about, on the 15-minute chart, we have about 7 more minutes, roughly 7.5, until this actual candle closes. It is dropping. The Bears is jumping on top of the Bulls, and it's looking like it's a real fucking showdown. Okay, now the Bears is swinging. Oh. Bulls just did an uppercut. Bulls with another blow. Bears came back. I'm going for the Bears on this one. I'm hoping that the Bears crush it. I'm a bear. I'm not the bull. Yeah, I'm not bullheaded. I'm gonna call it bullheaded. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not bullheaded. But anyway, you know what, guys, it's sad to say it. I could be honest. I always been a bear guy. Where we at? Okay, we're close to recouping our funds, but I want this to, now, going this deep, I think, is a lot more risky. If you notice, most of the candles didn't go that deep. The trade going to here has a very, very higher probability than it does to pass here, as you can see, with only this candle and this candle wick making it that far, and it's reversing back. Gold is very strong right now, so I probably go ahead and cash out right here, only simply because I still would be up about $1,000 in profit. And honestly, guys, $1,000 a day for me is it's not that bad trading, and it could be days that it could be more than that, but gold right now is something that I'm interested in buying. So if I'm interested in buying it, selling it, even though I'm a seller, selling it is not really what I would consider. It is pretty high, but gold is very, very strong. Gold is even almost talking about. So I'm kind of bullheaded on gold also. And just with that right there, I might not even much trade gold anymore after today, only because I like gold that much to where I do not want to be bearish on gold. Yep. I look at it right now. The Bulls is swinging. But I need you to go ahead and win this trade right here and get me my what I want. Um, Gosh, damn Bulls is very stubborn this morning, and I hope I don't be in this trade any longer. I don't like being in trades, and I might make that a rule, if I'm in a trade. But some people hold a trade for a whole week, and I have. I have held a trade for 2 weeks because I was too far, gone. Maybe I didn't set a stop loss, whatever the case. And you know what? In 9 out of 10, it always comes back to me. But do I want to trade like that? That's how you blow an account. I really don't want to trade like that. I really don't. I really don't. Instead, I want to mark that as a spot where I know that, okay, once that trade probably comes back to that point, then it's really on its way down. Use your losses as indicators. I think that's the best way to probably trade. Use your losses as indicators. I'm looking at this and this thing, and the Bulls just will not give up. Just will not give up. If I can break even on this trade, I probably, and I can catch it in time because I don't look at the trades all day. Like this trade right here, unfortunately, set my take profit back where I had it at. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. And that go to show you right there too. Look, I could have been out of it. I could have took $700 about 2 times and took $1,000 right there, and that would have put me at $1,000 above. So man, never, 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 never underestimate the power of getting in and out. Honestly, never underestimate it. And I need to come up actually with a rule where maybe, if I see that the battle is very kind of confused and it keeps going back and forth where I'm at, maybe I need to switch and turn that into a scalping, a scalping framing. Because I can see that there is confusion. So let me make money wherever the confusion lies. If the confusion is just completely obvious, then let's day trade that. If the confusion is very close to equal, let's scalp that. There you go. There you go. But anyway, I got other stuff to do. I'm going to jack this thing going back up here. Matter of fact, even put it a little bit back. That puts me at 44. Actually, that is $2,000 more than what I lost today. I'll leave it at that. Come back to it. See how it is. Let you guys know. Plus, this is eating up my... Look how long. I've been on here 40 minutes. Got to get this off my phone.